For over 60 years, millions of people have used metformin to manage their blood sugar. The medical world accepted a simple truth: it lowers glucose by patching the output in your liver. But what if I told you we've been looking at the wrong organ this entire time? What if this 60-year-old drug has actually been hacking a hidden control center in your brain? For decades, we thought metformin acted mostly through the gut and the liver. But a groundbreaking 2025 study just flipped the script. Researchers discovered that metformin works directly in the brain. And not just anywhere. It targets a very specific neural pathway to rewrite how your entire body processes metabolic data. So how exactly is a diabetes pill reprogramming your mind? Let's look at the source code. Scientists tracked metformin traveling straight to the ventromedial hypothalamus, or the VMH. Think of the VMH as your body's master metabolic thermostat. Inside this area, there's a specific protein called RAP1. Imagine RAP1 as a heavy background app that's constantly draining your system's battery. Metformin essentially acts as a patch that turns off RAP1. By activating specific cells called SF1 neurons, it directly forces your system to lower blood glucose. But here is the craziest part. While your liver needs massive, high concentrations of this drug to even respond, your brain reacts to much, much lower levels. It's a precision strike. But if it's so powerful in the brain, what else is it changing up there? This is where we shift from disease management to true biohacking. If metformin changes brain signaling to control glucose, could it also be slowing down the brain's aging process? The data says yes. Metformin is increasingly viewed as a gerotherapeutic, a tool to literally slow down the biology of aging. It limits DNA damage and promotes gene activity linked to extreme longevity. In fact, a massive 2025 study showed that women taking metformin had a 30% lower risk of dying before age 90 compared to those on another common drug. It's actively reducing the wear and tear on your brain. Are we looking at the ultimate longevity pill? Hold on, before you try to compile this into your daily protocol, we need to talk about system compatibility. Every powerful patch has bugs. Up to 75% of users experience gastrointestinal glitches, nausea, diarrhea, and discomfort. But more critically, the hardware has to be able to handle it. If you have any kidney impairment, this drug can put your health at serious risk. As an athlete, if your kidneys are sensitive, you cannot just brute force this protocol. You have to track your biomarkers. This discovery changes everything about how we view human metabolism. It's not just a liver drug, it's a brain optimization tool. How would you optimize your protocol knowing your brain is the master switch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Keep debugging your system, and I'll see you in the next update.